Technology, particularly in the form of the computer, is everywhere. Look around you. How many can you identify in the room you're in right now? How many are within arm's reach? Whether it's a traditional PC or a laptop, a tablet or a phone, even your TV remote, not to mention the TV itself, is packed with the infamous silicon chip brains. We marvel at the power and the convenience they bring, yet our nightmares are filled with the thoughts of them one day taking over. But how does it all work? Is your smartwatch secretly plotting to kill you? Will your satellite navigation system one day seek revenge for ignoring its directions? Does your microwave secretly judge you for warming up last night's leftovers? Who knows the answers to these questions? Well, I do, and if you stick with me, so will you. Hello, my name is Paul, and this is Barebones Tech.
The sheer scale of technology is daunting. There's so much of it, and it's so complicated with its stupid acronyms, inside jokes and strange jargon that you can be forgiven for wondering if ordinary people can ever hope to understand any of it. And that's where this channel comes in. This is a judgment-free zone. Noobs are welcome. There's your first acronym or piece of inside humour. Noob is a deliberate misspelling of newbie or newbie. Over the coming weeks, months and possibly years, my plan is to show you that none of this is that complicated. Even the most complex of systems are formed from smaller, simpler parts, and if we go far enough, we reach a point that the part is simple enough for anyone to understand. I intend to make few assumptions. You're watching this, so I assume you can access the videos. You're still watching, so I assume you can understand English. Beyond that, I plan to start from the bare bones. So, if you want to know more, do the social media thing and like, subscribe, share, comment, follow, and then sit back and enjoy.